Adofo no me cheche me mamu nyina che eba the announcer newspapers mo shomamra aduba kon abo apa ho sima aduasa me nsa pepepe me din de daddy Fred mama kwaba ensem bebre piepie e wo man Ghana mu nene asema ededwa pa ye bedwenhwene ho eye atomic gas explosion e cause so e wo Madina no e ho nsem ai won kran no e ho nsem nene ye bedwenhwene ho na me details ni nyina bebre mu Mensa can report to be efasa asem no ho enti me report ni nyina sequentially me de ni nyina bebremo na mahu de koba ye de masa ne mani nyina siye ene de Ghana mpanifo so aka se wo mo ebeye afa ho na sasem abai atorencham ne yasema areho pa ye ne reporter tutu faculty Rainbow Radio ye ne be twen komo na o stage o baby a site ho a asem ne siye no ye ne be twen komo na afei tutu so de ensema ekoso nyina so de abreye midin e de daddy Fred mamu nyina chi eba de announcer newspaper so and it is what was one and then some bebre wo ho a me de bro and nti obi be kan say I was up be wo fidie ni say be ya open your opportunity now so program now why part of it na ye nyina ya hwe nsema koso ewo oman Ghana mu and it when your details be a me nsa kan latest one a me nsa kan nti me pese mu nyina mu hu nsem ni nyina mu ye na afei mo so dia mo so mo kafa ho ana madwen kyere bia wo fa ho bia no wo de ato edwa and nti mamu nyina akwa aba Jumadi transmitted live for the announcer newspaper so e wo Massachusetts United States of America ena ye wo na anything arehusem asi e wo oman Ghana mu na arehusem asi oman Ghana mu nyina no Ghana man ra ho pa ye Ghana man era ho Nipa dijaw ewo my Ghana mu. People are very sad about what has happened. They were not expecting that something sad like that will be happening, and you can imagine the gravity of the whole situation and how people lost their lives, people injured. A lot of people have been I don't know how best to describe it. Serious calamity have fall within a certain spectrum. Inti hon sem na adofonom mebo modern say mbehu say this there's amobakaya aye fear that nansem ye program it to just say ensuo bi e wo koforedu afam ho na ensuo no nsokwa ensuo no eni asesa afri said the river na color ni city na asesa akoye kokko na said the asi akoye kokko no amanfo bebra sha say the superstition bi rewura mu say e bia enuro sem bi na amasa de na ba na mokaya be de to just say atrofo adifo no wanhwe ne yi na asem we ya aba no mo mark ne wo say ebinum de omudin betatare ho say eye bibibi na akoso na amanaba adofo no de si ye nyina ne say adwumako bi wo mo tie and die adwuma ne de keka ho eno mo de sa adre bi egu nsuo no na ma nsuo no color exercise obagye di say asofu bi abomoden akobompa ye den say eye calamity na Nyankopon ede aba asofu bi so kura say enam ahemfo no wo mo ban bi o mo de atu asofu fo no so nti no eka ho ena ma Nyankopon ehwe o maso on se be ka kire bo say atrofo adifo ba bi o mo de o mo be wura nti ahemfo no o mo bu afu papa sa asofu no ehya ase eye sa de no ho nsem no we de me de famu e de brem keke emrepam no ye betwetwen komo afa hom na asem de dwa eye arehosem asi wo Ghana mind that sorry ya enti ya yensa ka kire se nipa enson de omo awu kwa omani naso so omo kowu ebinum koton niema ebinum twam akomo baabi ebinum nam omo baabi o na ekọ omo ko omo baabi na afi gasi akọ explode ama nipa awu sei afriwiase na de areho kra ne se ebinum de bo mo nyina ye yakura kyese omo hu nipadua nyina aworo saa nya asem ketro adofonom hu omo nipadua nyina aworo kokko areko na wo hwe binum soso a kyese omo nanso da yese sini bi na ebinum ehweye se mbe wan se ja enam hwiem na ejane ndam hwiem no mami amani ma how are you? I'm doing good, mommy, thank you very much. Nana Kosai Adventures, how you doing, Nana? I'm doing good. Enti na asem na reho say asem say etimi ekoso na Ghana man nyina no Ghana man era ho pa Ghana man era ho Ghana man esu Ghana man ra ho na wo hwe amanfo nanso da yese problem bi say ebekoso and amanfo nanso da yese obeba ko hia situation we na asem say akoso na dia areho wo mu ni say nipa mako 132 ena wo mu prepare na eno ye figure se kora figure etrese o mahunu no na ebi wo hokra wo mu nim na omo afriwe omo yare serious and as omo prepare da yare sabia eno nti police ka say wo a wonim say asem ni sia ye pagya ofiri ho na ya mo police amane no bomoden na fefre eye enkran police hospital no mu hu de ekoso nyina na asem na reho Ghana's vice president Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia okoho anyway my brother Gabriel Agag etisen Gabriel yeto ka che man so adjoin me live bibi ekoso Gabriel ye chaw ne abusuafo nyina na areho sem aba na ye nyina edwedwere ho na details bi a me de beba no nsem bebre wo ho mama obi ko site ho site ho no ba bi asem ni si ye no ode de ekoso nyina bebre na report to be babontin report ne babontin ne kire se ebinom kire se kebab wura bi ena eja no na gas no eliki ena gas tank no esi ho na twe gas ni biagu content no offload content no ena eliki ena kebab wura no esa gas no eliki ena nam wiem saa na kebab wura no wono so eso ja ne ja no ko suo mu wiem na de keka wa nyasam ketwa ebinom so babontin se enya kebab wura no nko ane soja ewo ho na ono so eyewitness so no say choba ho ebinom tuntonnuane wo ho amanfo bebre so eso eja wo ho nti eniza Ghana for edisobo ebo kebab wura no nko a ono so nasem eno no ho nsem no so ye go so ye analyze the whole situation enti ye de bebrem na se reho a egu so nam from am ekone se nipa mako 132 womo ahwere omo ayare sesi a womo aprepra na nipa nson de womo ahwehwere omo nkwa na we na bi ni mu busa se da bia ya na Ghana ya kan sighting of gas station is it anti ya me sa ka kire se about 400 gas stations in SCC residential areas e Ghana baby ni se wo musi gas station ho no musi gas stations ama se say ofa baby gas stations ahodo bebre na adobre wo man Ghana mu and nti amanfo bebre questions na sha se e ba se enkabe ya gas stations omote ase emo ebie no fie ebimbe fie no e wo se EPA for na amanfo twe o maso pa ye free se wo mo na eme mo permit ema o mo bie sa gas filling stations no wo krom pe na se ya beto dwa kire se Ghana's vice president Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia wone Nana Danko Akufo-Addo wo mo so mo ko hie se den na o mo ko hie wi a o mo ben announce measures bia sa measures no mo de beba no ebe strong na sa measures no be very effective a kire se enya de ese sa measures ne ba wo mo beti obia se many about Florence do for it to say Florence ye cha California fo nyina obia ho ye de nora me hu so wudi asapa that's good I was say do me bia Florence o chiwani kakra o chiwani eboa ara ho nyo stress o to wona de bia stress I was say na ha adwen to do bia so you stress no na fe obamade na o chiwani kakra o yesa na ebeboa na da bia na stress de ha adwen just say ha adwen bebre nti do bia o say we stress ni feel ho na o chiwani kakra America stress is okase wudi akira ne that thing be di akiri sa enyasem ketwa nti se na a reporter aba eno no na meguso mama obi ekọ baby asem ni si ye na kasa no site ho na sa nipa no so no asem ni si ye nyina na the vice president Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ekọ ho no me macho be ba kakra sa nipa no na ho enti o the report to be fa ho bia bebre na adofo no show asem na esi no areho na said the Ghana nipa na enwene se bibi sa besi na bibi sa esi oh Nana Taman calls stay blessed, great man. Thank you very much, Mary Freco. Also, hello, Daddy Fred. How are you? I'm doing good, Mary. I share you can phone you now. Now, Yanshay, Areho Sema Abba, a gun and Yinaraho. She nipa a prepra. Now, we'll share pictures na. I don't for them Areho. Na to say Ghana president, Nana Dudankwa Kufado, or nay, Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, vice president, Manyan TSM. Omo de measures be ba. Sa measures no say we MPP ni o NDC ni o ende wo momfa ho na de mo ba nyina mo de ba nyina ne say ebe boa se be ya sa problem no ebi ensi e wo man Ghana mu biem ebi nsi e wo man Ghana mu biem jo mo de measures ne ba abonten na wo mo say ade na asi no areho utie upon kroma eye deputy information minister utie na sema wo kan o say over 400 filling stations. SCC a bank a man for fee. Filling station in here now fee. And it is a BBC pet Nipa Bewuno Anyasem Ketwa. Report to be so about Bonte say 2017 kwa Nipa gas asem akuwa mafiri yasano. Me this report no so ebetuja. Ado for them ti areho. Na sesi amene ka say nipa nson de omo awu afiri wiase kwa na se de ntie ni si ye na amanfo say gas na omo flow no ena leak ye na de sansem ne baaye George Usu ono so ena adwuma no ne de na sema wode atodwa nyina ne se wo se eno enye no kware sa na kebab wura bi ena na wo toto kebab ena wo toto kebab no ena ema gas no ebe ni mu se de wo musi pese o mu kira ase na enne ye be baba nsem ni mu nyina mu de o na ogina hobi ye kan say eyewitness no wo hobi no mebo modin na me na twetwe nkomo sisi na wo de ato ye ni esi ye nyina atodwa na mahu se de sitre na se wo hwe de esi ya eben school pa o eben Presbyterian school Eben Presec, Presbyterian Boys Secondary School. Nantina just say, Nyanya Kupon, Eka Arahusame Besidie, Nature say, Enyasam Ketwa. We kurano, she Arahusama Essi. Wong Arahusama Essi. Oh, Sesi Amenoka say, Kebabu ran no man for air condemn, and I mean, you Chapman, Dot, Edia Baze, Ghana Fire Service dismissed report. Reports that a fire spark from a nearby kebab guy caused the deadly explosion. Also fire, Ghana fire for one more at this message. A man for be brave say and yet fire kebab run na deba. Making can hold the end in another home. Now, and I'm got many eyewitness to two faculty. War Rainbow Radio. No china hobby. But then the veteran comes to say to two. Ama yehu nsem ni nyina de host to morning show Rainbow Radio e Ghana no na wa church nsem ni nyina mu na yehu se de city present en nsem ni nsem bia ha dwen na manya na tese Ghana's president na do Dankwa Akufo-Addo obekọ site hone na wo hwe nipa na da yaresabia hona achasa asem na reku saa to the stand say omo ISIS ni bi na omo hwe Omuso munhu bi da efri says bibisa esi ye e bibisa no munhu bi da se bibisa ebesi na we need the questions ba say him for na ye mo permit no him for ene mo permit e mo tisi filling stations no e wo kuromu no him for na ya na EPA for no o ma hwe hazards e wom says BBC in case of any problem nipa ba hwero mo nkoma hwe ni nyina na reasons bentina ya na omoma amanfo ho kwan e ma mo site filling stations e wo kurom sa de bentia bom asemi emere bi asokwa ebisiye emere bi o chese Kumasi baby bebre bisiye hwe nipa ewu reporters say we esi ya kra kire say about 20 vehicles cars ni nyina so de buruburu properties ahodro ne nyina buruburu afa nipa dasani a wo mani enna soso se bibi sa besi no nipa enson omo ahwere omo nkwa 132 ekoda yaresabia omo a discharge ebi omo discharge 64 omo makada so da yaresabia omo ye hu omo no kra de bobo na se himfo ne mo sa 2 min se omo establish sa gas stations no filling stations e wo krom sa na precautions ben e na omo take say in case say explosion bia bibi sa sia de ba de e na amanfo ebeye afa ho precautions ben na omo take and it says mo ya asem bia akoso e wo man Ghana ma amanfo bebre e na political yi bi omo wo affiliations bi e na mo mpanifo mo ni mo munti no Babia ni amo plot to say omonya gas station. Ye nhwe wo mo niam mu, ye nhwe bibia mu. Babia ni omo kwan say omonya gas station. Chasensensem bebre wo ho a. Ehyehyehye babi bi bato ndima ohun ana wu musa ohun. Na wa hwe say wo mo mani naso e wo wiase. Ye va ne say wo wani naso wo ko babi aba. Na adie sei akwoto wakra wabusuafo o mi kokroma kodi dwaaba na wu twam baabi o baabi keke na asem sei akwoto areho eni nti nipa awu ya nipa aprepra ya kwa ebra enka measures bi oho na ebi omuputu in place a enka saa niema we nyina emma na ya na enka saa niema ensensem etoto amanfoi minim na meka se minim omo a ya na omo ma amanfo kwan se monko establish saa niema no ewo ho monko establish saa niema no ewo ho minim omo a ya na omo ma amanfo kwan sa na utie penny gas station run asema oka o say I lost millions of dollars na nipa na ewu no so no madwene ho nipa na ewu no gas station wura no wadwene millions of dollars na mo kan na nipa na ewu bebrebe no so no madwene ho monim de o mabusua so o alusu so ebi ni o I lost millions of dollars na abusua no mawu de o so alusu esensem bi ho a adofonom wonte ase na wo hu se de asem no nyina esi eba na de won bia na be make sure say ye fifi nsem no mu pa ye na de won bia no amanfo ahu nsem ne fi say niema bebre na esi efa asem no ho na filling station ra no wakasa woni radio station bi ekasai e wo Ghana na wakansem bebre ye betie ni nsem na wakan ye no na ni filling station ra ne nsem a wakan nyina so on de sika de ya de se e wo lusu bi papa na onim se sika sa e be hye na areho sama se me nsa ka e kire se asam we ya asam areho pa areho sama me nsa ka kire se net 2 TV Medina based net 2 TV reporter ba ko na wa cameraman wo cover story no manya ntie se wono so ahwere ne nkwa wawu no cover story no ene manya ntie se wa hwere ne nkwa ne dede Mohammed Ashali odo so manya ntie se wa hwere ne nkwa claims a kebab seller started gas station is false. Ghana Fire Service for Asema Womo Ede Atu Iganonom. The Ghana Fire Service has cautioned the media to desist from jumping to conclusion on the cause of the atomic gas explosion. Head of Public Affairs David Anaglete says investigations are still ongoing into the cause of the disaster and none as at now has been confirmed. There have been that the fire of a kebab seller ignited a gas which had escaped during discharge, resulting in the inferno. This was championed by radio show host Kojo Yankson, who in a video sought to give chronological detail of the circumstances surrounding the disaster. But according to the Ghana Fire Service, it is untrue to accuse the kebab seller of any wrongdoing. They are still conducting the investigations. And indeed, Omo say, Omasha Asia, Edisobo, Ebo, Omo, they're not Oton kebab, no, what is a bono, no, Ghana Fire Service Force, a mom fast war, more or more. Emphasis war mono say if we say Wamuguso investigations. As I say, Abeto Eja Eso Enonom. Now to visit gas explosion victims blast site. President Nana Danko Akufo-Addo has visited injured victims of Atomic Junction Gas Explosion who was receiving treatment who are receiving treatment at the Accra Regional Hospital. 7 people confirmed dead in the aftermath of the blast. While 132, like I said, people sustained various degree of injury. 68 are receiving treatment, while 64 others have been discharged from various hospitals across the country. The president, who had been on a tour of the northern region when the incident occurred, had tweeted earlier that he was devastated by the lives that have been lost in the explosion. I say, as I'm about to Ghana, now Danko Akufo-Addo was in the rock, so I say, Esipa, na, one nanso da yes, BBC, ABC, na BBC SC. Now, so say, Tiabe can about 250 Ghanaians have died from fuel explosions in 2017 alone. 2017 alone, over 250 Ghanaians are every wiase. And no, a gas explosion kwa or more every wiase. So, no. Information be a misaka HRS. Woman 87 sues MPA AMA others over sighting of filling station. Maybe so. Wabamoden, Akosiu, MPA for any Accra Metropolitan Assembly say, baby, one more site filling station, you know, one more than any home. And Tiame sa country say about 400 gas stations located in residential areas. 400 gas stations located in residential areas in Ghana. And in TFC, Adophonum. There won't be any the Bebram. Now, according to Methodist Bishop, on the Anasima walk and say, was it blame? Methodist Bishop as my walk and no, was it blame which people? Was it blame Mumfa blame Mao Bia? Mumfa blame Mao Bia, Methodist Bishop Bia, what's my waka? No, see the person blame one MP for. Mum na wose mu blame wo na apart from mo de mo fa blame ma obia MPA for mum na wose mo de blame e ma wo mo na asema abeto edwa no na ensensam wei e ya ade bia Ghana man era ho paaje na manfo na so da yese nipa dasani ebetimi akowi ya enam ebinum negligence nti na wa hwe arekusem se yesi na se ye hwe se MPA for quite be modalities ben and a ya now musha so Emma man for lances. Say money and as a money to me crata permit to say Munko Namoko site gas station ewa. Oh, as a Zembe brave or what I just say I rehusa Okakura won't tear see won't take a seer cross the city. Namada Muntrain Meba may bombardier court to 2 faculty ho. Na de wombia no ye de atudwana Ghana fo nyina hu de course so any details nyina no menua no e de atudwa ama ye hu se de sitie fi se ensam na reho pa ye ensam na reho na wo ho na sasasem wei ebitu wabusuani a na wo say yes asam no areho if so bi ona na ni na so se bibisa abesi na bibisa atimasi ya sa no areho menua tutu atesai. Hello, to try to say. Yeah, Boko na Rainbow Radio to say.
Yamia the Mian so you so from the Yamote, Ura, Trump, Yamapam, Yamagana for and Sema, it will feel in I so Kaka.
Yo, to me that say, na, me who say gas station explosion, no, and me who say, Ujina hobby, na woman report. Now, as I'm next at the same.
Really, I said, Ghana for you now, any kind, Sabri. Free internet, so I'm a pay a some facts and figures be American for United States of America. The woman United let me there you break. And I taste completely gas. I'm a gas no extra a gas station no Atomic Junction so free Medina Legon ever the same Medina Atomic Junction overhead na say and the walk. Emma leaking no when we are afraid almost every it's almost me and Obama near a nipa now more than Pimoto me and Woma car stations there that can see you know taxi rank can see truck station can see and I say nipa who do I told me and they won't make sure my coffee or more Mama near my compost party say one of the channel so men can come with just beside gas filling station and a total fuel station. Just beside the total fuel station, now come on see another filling station. Exactly opposite the gas filling station, is also another filling station. It makes me a Ghana be a or why we are the dinosaur and it's me for Ghana home mine. And can we use that it's
not just a gas station is a hudo baby, SR or baby at a wrench MDC, you know.
Filling stations, let me know an area Juma Echo and then Mona won't see the from plus the gas filling station. And one of them said, apart from enclave of air fuels, air gas, petrol, diesel, kerosene. And I say, Obi, Mokoyake, but to be a bagan, nature, don't the Sabia and Catano. It's free Sabri, no Naya, Pocket Ben or Chinefa, and there be a traffic incident is any party. And for students are what UPS, what they go present, and what they go university, Ghana UG, and they are getting if you make practice, traffic near the Gina Pomono, and as I'm Ketua. Fortunately, gas is a leaking according to a detailed to us a foul beer. Not what be a free tank in him, and I never more problem. So, we ever bomb and here, and then you need to put fast one with Johnny here. It declared to me, I'll solve a car, and if you say, not any other thing. And you can't to a two. And then Canada, Emma, and the Jama or soy. You are tossing me, you know, and the year can see. And you find a word reaching the bench, and one of my, and what am I some I put who I say, and you know, we say the Jobby Amto. Now, the uncle four can say, Minia, the hour, one and one, and it's like the ball of the day. Not just a gas filling station, no. And for four told me, and near war, I will put war and move and go for full contain, and the other people are looking why a toll station will be a million. That filling station, that's a pair, no one, and I feel in the animal, and no, I'm going to our GG, and the beach is a killer will. The beach is a by actually, the beach is a woman of Tottenham, and so and will go with that because the population density of that particular area from morning to morning is very high and huge. It's really a new country, a control, now in Nipa and so, and that's actually woman one. The young and James, maybe a one net 2 GB. Now, I know a Juma who could see no overhead, the Sutu or yes, or they got it 2 million market, I am so did a piano, so we will really see from or not so. Now, the Ghana Bona Kaya, in January, somebody, you got 8 gas explosions. I mean, in any past, some should have one, any part of the plan, as I did say. The question, Fred, Ghana Bona do able to say, what are the regulatory bodies doing? What are the institutions doing? And for body say, I'm not buying one penny for the Jessica, young Mama, one may try and see one may go. You won't know, first of all, I'm a new living in I want to near one may. The discovery did not my bush any why the better why the better why the better bush for and all these things. any and near man to say the India chichi or Ghana and go for a can want a pa.
To Mami Musau Assembly report to Binama Bontaina report to Nyanity say fire service for so Abba diffuse report no. The more children say one must say a kebabu rebina mass adi and the course so no crabby womsa.
That report is very unscientific. Now, unfortunately, I can't see you near Bako, Kojo Junction, or Joy FM. Make me a place to so, Sabana of Panamia for many Jinaho, Edmonds and Trump a future Jinaho. Let me say, it's a morning show, so that my special reporter, the Pacoshaka, Miami driver, I could not first-hand information. I was surprised to have seen all the big media guys in Ghana, those on the morning front, those on the political shows in the afternoon and in the evening, and late news readers. I said, why the country means to me and can. But the truth of the matter, that report is highly unscientific. I'm a very fire service for response. Me and Kasa. And I'm in Ura, Praise Billy, and Atlantic, and a ball and Common, and Rainbow Radio Soa, or they bar and Semno, Etiano. And no, India, if you look back on our WhatsApp, and the Papa Dawa, and Kenka, and Jack Yawono, you say, and go for Green War, in Jinga, some so, and say, again, and a man, a gas, the leaky, and President start 15 leaky, and today about 15 minutes to. I don't know about that packet fire and over country, not about the people. So, we didn't say that packet fire now. The one who she got, that's illegal. What are the immediate steps? Are you supposed to call fire service or you are supposed to announce to the people? All these are the issues that we have to look at. Just some of the media, they say, about watching the day, the media, so, of course, yes, the joke, because I don't know.
Yo, tutu answer na abekokrano na na wugina site hona nkasa no dia ben na ewurawura nipaduam ewo ho
media na huru bida ewu bi akrano June 3 disaster is few meters away from the office let me akase in central floor it is seven nipa na ewu na June 3 then kai Ghana for me a yaw June 3 the Nipano, and so the cool of foul, and thanks to share what to told, so to say, Nipana, that's a show my good. Let me chum it, let me shake the part, Prayer, at Barbie Studios, our Rainbow Radio, Abraka, one of my eye, boy, and two little ma, one money a day, a bicycle with Charles or the Momo, and I can't then, after you're watching the day, don't want to be a prayer, get them moment to be almost century. Not yet, I'm going to go Not that any people would need a lot of public safety issues and Bama to the moment now on our war. I don't need a fire yet. Mumpa, when you're the Apple word, they'll put an exercise. Now, yeah, that is Yawaha. And I think yes, car talk a yes, a canon car. Every 20 years, the million what is history and for 4,000, not a shake. And war a year, Piaho, or 4 Japan yet. What is that? What's that? Filling stations in the crown of insurance. Like the insurance that cover a new problem of transaction business. And one more much more for the that to reach me a good share of and then Sadia Manomania or how I believe or Yao and I let that be.
Tutu Medawas, Nazana Bekokrano, Yanyan Dr. Mahmoud Baumiaba, Honor, the Asamutu Jase, Abain, Wombetanasi, the measures be pa. Ama omodia contain he says ani ma ne bin CBM measures be na wo expect
media expectation I expect and say these are new crop of leaders that to be atibia anko siaga witimi emfanka say said yenra ekosi ye no na na so ebekwa akosi na de pai bonus say de mpanyinfo ya kai wo mo betimi edo omonai esi from edo was here aye ojo na me news be the internet so and me ankasa many honorable Mahama Yarega a one-time minister for environment science and technology ebon ko bobusa na say so that kaya after June 3 over the Babon filling stations gas stations yeah war residential areas be any woman permit no mo be mo be je adwuma e bi sa na say DNG and na sa abre no when government ni afa o tie age wo yo na so mo ka ye be we wu friend and say what to no mo sha ye no wo no ada bushia asofo ahemfo politicians from both sides and man the pressure many of the wuni maybe asema be to me the pacho maybe asema be
so hu
and the akeka ka ho si am no wo ka say wo so na nkata e krosi e filling station bi e wo UPS University of Professional Studies no so available or say o mu fra ba mu a wo twebo wo say you see we that or UPS for and the statement about abai ensign emblem was kumasi aboabo baby filling station ni extra secondary school bi and kwada be 3,000 or so ko tubu o mu fra ba mu wo see you e minia I thought that been a boy and penny for a trisua. If I am Catan, so you say a picture money at Bravo. Your politicians are casting a him for your software. Almost Omuka home. 2986 from the city at the Uma Bibi Kosua. Woman of Toma war, the crowd of war with Kem, whatever the real room, whatever the cancer of so business is so, and your one more idea. I am going for a class of the future fight. I can hear any open track here. Pastor's appreciation, agent got a year. It's really a Ghana that they say that here. Akoyo how far any Amaya. We need a total mental revolution, a total new thinking, a new direction. And it's in Ghana, everyone. How Piara Ghana cook that.
Yo, to faculty, Medawas, answer now, Beko Crassaman, and Beko Chato.
Yes, friend. Yanoma, Bonya, Konya, na Motiaman on it. Number who say you do my number, you know, and we also do who measure NPP, and we also do who measure NDC. What is it? You won't be a yakin there. You should have told the other who, who many how big you are fighting. Actually, I was there. Yes, by your whole concept that part in said. The moment I do over question, you know, you are not the national or the national direction. You don't know what yes, Tremor. Yes, Tremor, look at the Mama Papa. The one year will be my associate. Then so much I will talk to your pa, yet 3 hours of rainbow. Some people need that out. And no yesterday, all you cook no years, I need gas, but I have a super air power, a new end of the war. Yeah, I think I many of them, you have a continent now about day, and don't you about the book you want. One could do what they did here. Oh, my pressure, no entry of the moon change, you can be. Only find the news and social media. So, why would agitation tell you that? Yeah, the penny for the team of the food. Young Shaggy and everybody, we don't have any way yet, and change the more mind.
Yo, ought to me that some repam so you best I know what you drink, come as a person when you're near to drink and come on. Mr. Medasipa, to faculty, I'm on Rainbow Radio, Ghana, or no, a morning show host, and I'm not saying, you know, a train come out, say, and to 2 or say to 2, I'm not saying, train come. And I say, what a report, you know, a brayer, I'm a young summer, a cosso, the ma, gas station problems in Indian buy, you know, and no, I don't know, and penny for a war on my move. So, some war, not say, omo person musi ano kwan a obehu politicians asofo ene mu penifo me po achaw mayese munya crime rate kura crime Ghana a police for kura chi obi se nipa no aye bone kura no obehu na penifo akọ ekopa achaw se yanyai nipa no na beye den ena nteteye no atimatu mpon ebeye den na rule of law na tima ye adwuma ebeye den na mrapa no aye adwuma wo man no yen hwa rekosem sei gas filling station asem kosi atomic dey kosi ye hwa se abra gas no hwa se leak no muhu ye o na mo bo amanfo amane se munwane gas ni leak munwane de be na mo ye fa contingency measures ben na mo put in place se so bo hu se gas mo offload no leak ya hifo na babo mamane muhu a de ben na wosamoye fire for ho de ben na wosamoye na mo gas stations no so a mo site ni kurom ebi pa hwe suku a nipa be ye 3,000 kurako school na gas station any school ni de anim hwe na asam kosi a ebe ye den na adofo no enkura no amatimanya enkwagye na bibisi. As a matter of fact, and near may be or it was empty for the omonensi from pa near man no could be also the dead. Emma near my tumpon or man no could ned in any man tumpon. If you say more politics be an penny for Guru. Why shall some Mahama Yarga cracking? Say, well, ye not jenny say. And Cobesi sees idea and gas stations a walk room, and so I sub for a him for a politicians and penny for I can see ever catching so nice idea. So, ebi enema wo mine no entumpon no. Nanka wo mine I will go diamond what box site will be there be problems. Now go say share who some see. He for the ma omo lance someone nya adwuma. Na measure se ben filling station se wo Ghana baby a filling station. He for the man omo lances no. Now he for the mom permit someone nya adwuma. Na omo take environmental issues into consideration. Adofo areho asem na areho je. And it's me that the American and say, Esi Mumfam Bo entire Busiafo achi. Womo sure monkwa any omosoa, womo a pre-prayer, womo jari nyina no, erade sa womo yare. If you say binum diary sabia den. Na measures aban so de ba na amanfo otwen. Say measures as early as possible. Aban one for measures koromra. Na fe amanfo hu no munyai we MPP, we MPP ni, we boa mi, we boa NDC. Enti no kura bi o ha wo monka no, wo munyem firi ho. No ma no kura bi e wasem no mu no bia no emra bonten se be ya, o betima boa amon no so etumpon. If so man no tumpon a ebeboa me ebeboa wo bia. Na o mo apese me nkomnya, o mo abenya no mo nko asetena akoyie no. O mo bibia o mo ye no emwa wo man no emo man no tumpon. Adafo no ha na me de besi. Madam Munina has some training me and a program or the announcer newspaper of Massachusetts, United States of America. Multi to faculty in Rainbow Radio or the details are a course so the man in your by in our church in Amamahu. What church they say yes see what their course so a be a found beyond the Nina at Amamahu. Nakupon boy your best sign Asia. Now one more mushroom Moncano Yamabusa Funina Yako, one more pre-press Yamamu speedy recovery. Penny first message I must do Guamono, Mofangu as early as possible. Sebeya man for Eso and Hobertomo. Yamagana Yina Yako, yes, she'll be also days. Erade mo bia ho ban midin edida different mo am share mo am kire mo adwene mo am share video no mo am like mo am kire mo comment nyina me da mo nyina ase yakopon bo a ye besan e share bi makram